Hello there, algebra students. This is Mr. Kashi speaking. Our next method that we're going to learn is what we call the FOIL method. And FOIL is an acronym. Each letter represents a different word. And I wanted to make sure that we have this acronym spelled out for us. So the F stands for first. The O stands for outside. The I stands for inside, and the L stands for last. And this just tells you the order in which you multiply your two binomials together. So this is just another method of multiplying two binomials together. And so we're going to use this to help us remind which order we do it. And we'll go through that method right here. So this is a FOIL example. We're still multiplying two binomials together. We do the first, which is the first in each. So we're going to go 3x times 2x. And so 3 times 2, that would be 6. And x times x, that would be x squared. That would be the first. And we did F in green. And then we do the outside. So we do the outside terms. The outside terms would be 3x and 7. So 7 times 3, that would be 21. And the x comes along for the ride. So 3 times 7, that would be plus 21x. And that O was done in blue. The inside we're going to do in red. Okay, the inside we're gonna do that in the bottom here. So that would be negative 5 times 2x. Well, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So we're going to do a minus 10x right here. And then L stands for last. So we're going to do the last in each binomial. So we take that negative 5 times the 7. And so negative 5 times a positive 7, that would be a negative 35. So this is just an order in which you use, so all of them are paired up. That 3x needs to be multiplied by both of them, both of the terms in the second binomial, and that negative 5 needs to be multiplied by both terms in the second binomial. And so the last thing that we need to do is that we need to combine those like terms in the middle. So we have 6x squared. And then we do 21x minus 10x, which would give us a positive 11x. And then we have the minus 35 at the end. So that would be the simplified answer. So I want you to use that method on our next problem to practice on 3x plus 4 times 2x plus 5. Sorry, going back one more slide. If this note helps you, you can go ahead and pause the video and make sure you write that down. That's kind of breaking it into some more steps. But that's color-coded, and sometimes that helps students when it's broken apart like that in each term. So if that helps, go ahead and pause the video and jot that down. Then you can move on to this practice problem. I'll be coming around to help people with that if need be.